So today we are going to do some
DIY.
DIY drawer system for this Pajero. So we're off to Musafa and buy some wood, and let's see. So let's take some measurements. Three.
Worship area.
13.5. I just got back from the wood shop. We call it the wood shop? I don't know what to call them. Yeah, we just bought some 4x8s, a 12 millimeter thickness, and it's waterproof. And because it wouldn't fit, I brought my circular saw and we cut it there so we can fit it in Pajero. It fit, and there's blood. Whew. It's very hot. So we now have 4 legs. 1, 2. Where's the other 2? This? So
Under this
3, 4. And we have made lines to where we will put 2 bolts each. And there. And put some wood glue, and we have our legs and ledge, and it's very hot. All for the sake of camping, because winter is coming. So we're done for the day. We'll continue this tomorrow. So far, we're gonna put a
holders.
holder or something to pull this out. There. And this is small because
Or you can do it like
this will be. Can you hand me that?
stove.
This will be the permanent place of the stove. So it's going to be something like
Yes.
this, yeah.
And then maybe here.
And then when we're at site, so we will have a drawer, something here. So we'll put it there. But when we're driving, it's gonna be hidden inside, way inside the cabinet. So tomorrow, it's really hot. See you. So we're done. Mind you, this is just our beta, so don't judge us. And just to remind you that we're not carpenters, but we like to do everything by ourselves. So if there, bring out our kitchen. So we still have to buy some handles. There's our kitchen. So we actually don't have rollers or sliders because we're trying to do it in a budget. So we only spend about, how much did you spend?
300 dirhams.
300 dirhams for all of this. So that's it. So that's our kitchen. Our kitchen stuff will be here. And you know, the concept that it's on this side, because if he needs his condiments, where's your condiments gonna be? Good thinking, right? And then the other one will be his camping stuff. So he's gonna pull it out. He's lazy. And then we need some modular dividers. And that's it. It's a budget build. We tried to do this as cheap as possible. And we did some turnbuckles, so it's gonna be secured. One, we were able to make a loop out of it, so we can do some webbing on top, but on the other, we actually failed on that side. But anyways, this is just, what can we say, our stage one of the build. But we're proud of it. We're gonna make a video later on, maybe after this, on why we did the stuff that we did. There were a couple of reasons why, but this video is done. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.